Hello and welcome to yet another video of the year. Today we've got legends on our channel. We've got H.Mugani and Ray, and they're going to be playing Nhare, Mbira, and it's so going to be crazy. That was a piece of Mbira dzepasi. Mbira dzepasi is a genre of Mbira that is so deep and so meditative, and so complicated and complex that you might not know the time signature, you might not know the cycles, but you are just filled and immersed in the music. And the beauty of that is these two Mbiras had two different tunings. Ray's Mbira was lambe, and I'm not sure what Hector's Mbira was, but was that not amazing? Check out some more details on Mbira dzepasi and the type of song that they will play in the description below. You are Africa. I am Africa. Q.